Hey there, young explorers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still your host, the Magical Unicorn. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of mathematics. Get ready, because we're going to explore the basics of math together. Remember to still to the end because there are some puzzles and questions to solve. Let's begin. Welcome to our exploration of mathematics, where numbers come to life and patterns unfold. Whether you're new to the world of math or looking to brush up on the basics, this video is your guide to understanding the language of numbers. What is mathematics? Mathematics is more than just numbers on a page. It's the science of patterns and relationships, from the symmetry of a snowflake to the rhythm of music. Math helps us make sense of the world around us. Let's start with the basics. Numbers. Numbers are the symbols we use to represent quantities. They can be whole numbers, fractions, decimals, and even negative numbers. Understanding numbers is the first step in mastering mathematics. Next, we have operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the fundamental tools we use to manipulate numbers and solve problems. Think of them as the basic operations of everyday math, from calculating change to dividing a pizza among friends. Moving beyond arithmetic, we encounter algebra, where variables and equations allow us to solve unknowns and describe relationships between quantities. Graphs and charts visually represent data, helping us analyze trends and patterns. But mathematics goes far beyond these basics. It's the foundation of science, technology, engineering, and more. Addition and subtraction are the most basic operations. They're about combining and separating quantities. Multiplication is a faster way to add the same number multiple times, and division helps us find out how many times one number fits into another. As we move beyond basic arithmetic, we enter the world of algebra, a branch of mathematics where numbers are represented by symbols, often letters like X, Y, or Z. These symbols, called variables, can represent unknown values in equations. Algebra allows us to create and solve equations, making it a powerful tool for solving real-world problems. For example, if you want to calculate the distance traveled over time at a constant speed, algebra helps you find the answer. Algebra is also the foundation for more advanced topics like calculus and statistics, which are essential in fields such as engineering, economics, and data science. Now, let's explore geometry, the study of shapes, sizes, and the properties of space. Geometry is all around us, from the design of buildings to the art we admire. It's about understanding the properties of shapes and how they relate to each other. Geometry helps us answer questions like, how do you measure the area of a triangle? What is the circumference of a circle? How can we calculate the angles in a polygon? But geometry is more than just calculations. It's also about spatial reasoning, understanding how shapes fit together, how objects move in space, and how we can visualize complex structures. This skill is crucial in many fields, including architecture, engineering, and computer graphics. Another important area of mathematics is statistics and probability. Statistics is the study of data, how we collect, analyze, and interpret it. Whether you're reading the news, conducting research, or making decisions, understanding data is essential. Probability, on the other hand, is the study of chance. It helps us understand how likely an event is to occur. For instance, when you flip a coin, there's a 50% chance it will land on heads and a 50% chance it will land on tails. Probability is used in everything from predicting the weather to designing games and making business decisions. By combining statistics and probability, we can make informed decisions based on data, estimate risks, and predict outcomes. These skills are invaluable in a world driven by information. Mathematics is not just a subject you study in school, it's a way of thinking that opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're solving everyday problems or unlocking the secrets of the universe, math is your key to understanding the world. As we've seen, math is everywhere, from the simplest counting to the most complex theories. And the more you learn, the more you'll discover how interconnected everything is. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep solving, Because the world of mathematics is vast, and the journey has just begun. Now, let's take a quick stop to solve some of the questions we've just covered. Grab your pen and notebook. Feel free to pause the video. Parents, help monitor your child and make sure they get the answers correctly. Thank you for joining us on this mathematical adventure. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our educational series. We have plenty more to explore in the world of math, so stay tuned for our next video. Until then, keep your curiosity alive and keep challenging yourself with new mathematical concepts.